Okay guys, we are at Value Village, coming from Polo Park. We are going to check and see if they have anything, which is kind of annoying because I don't have a discount card. Although I think I have the $5 off a $15 purchase, so we will check it out. This is a cute bag. I wish I had 30% off, but I don't. This is cute too, 70 bucks. Yeah, it's authentic. I really like this though. Ooh, this one's cute too. I don't know if those would sell though. Fake Louis. I really like this a lot. I mean, it is boutique bag, I can tell. I do have like I have $5 off. Let's look inside, make sure it's not toe up. It's not a factory outlet bag. Oh wait, it is a factory outlet bag. It doesn't have the, I think this is factory outlet online. It's cute though, but I don't know, not for that price, I don't think. I don't know, we'll hold on to it. See if we like it. Hi.
First.
Cute. Oh, thank you.
Oh, this little cutie.
It's cute.
Oh, it's just for out today.
Yeah. I have $5 off.
Oh, for your club card?
Yeah.
Use it.
I will. I like the color too.
Yeah. Simple but elegant.
Yeah. Cute. And it's in like really good condition. It's like in really, there's like no corner wear. Oh wait, oh wait. Is that cracking? No, it's not. It's just, is that cracking? I can't tell. Well, there's a little bit of wear here. No, not for $100. We're not gonna get it then. They have these Birkenstocks, 50 bucks. That's why you guys have to really, really kind of look at the bags really closely because you don't know if there's damage on it or not. What bag is this? 100 bucks. I don't know why this is priced at 100. There's no label inside. It's just leather. No name and it's 100. It's very unfortunate. They always overprice things here all the time. It's actually kind of annoying. Like even just that leather bag for $100 just because it's leather, that's stupid. Sorry. Stupid. I actually kind of needed that because I mean, even without the damage, I probably wouldn't have bought it, purchased it. I shouldn't have, I mean, just because it's way too overpriced. I don't want to support something that's overpriced, but like you guys saw in the last vlog, like I went to freaking Goodwill. I can never find anything at Goodwill. Like, absolutely nothing. Spray. What's this one? Rossetti. this is leather, but I don't know if it will sell. Oh, roots. It's cute though. Why is this $19.99? I honestly think that this is leather, but it just doesn't say inside what material it's made out of. But it feels like leather. Made in China, and the zipper is YKK, which is not on high-end bags, but it is on good quality bags. There's no strap for it though. It's cute though. So I was looking at this pot. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, which is cool. And the fact that it's made in USA, I'm gonna look it up and see what the comps are, but I mean, you need really good quality pots sometimes. I don't know. Hopefully that's not whatever, you know. It seems to be really good quality though. Well, these saucepans are retailing on eBay for like 60 US. So, I don't know. They're cool. I mean, I kind of need saucepans in a pot. Maybe I'll get them, I don't know. Maybe. Just because I'm kind of saving things for when I own my own apartment. I want nice pots and pans. I already have my grill. I just think they look very rustic chic, you know. Okay guys, so for these 3 high quality pans, pots, and a couple of saucepans, we basically paid like, and I got another coupon off, $2 off. We paid, what did we pay? $21 basically, $21, because I had the $5 off coupon. So that's a really good deal. I mean, I'm going to eventually need really good pots and pans. So thrifting it is a good deal. Here's a friends and family sale, 50% off on, when is this? By invitation only, Sunday, March 25th. Oh, okay, cool. So 50% off clothes, shoes, bed, bath, and 30% off. Oh, I could have gotten this for 30% off. But that's fine. I'm so happy with my purchase. $20 is still a good deal. Okay, so it was a success returning the Pandora bracelet. We're gonna go over to Style Encore because we've never been here before in my life. But we'll check it out. See what it's like. Never been here before. So we will see what it is like. Hello. Okay, see this? Really cute damier. It's $25, which is actually a good price. It looks very reminiscent of like the Rebecca Minkoff kind of bag. That's cute. They actually price damier way better here than they do at Value Village. Really cute. They have all these Pandora charms too, which is cute. Ooh, they have a lot of cute things here. They have this MK60. It's not bad actually. It's kind of cute. It's leather. That might be a go. It's actually super cute. I think we're gonna get it for $60. You know, just add like a strap to it or something. Ooh, that was Dooney and Burke. That's kind of cute. They have this Coach bag. They have like a lot of cute things here. The prices are freaking actually good. $18 for this. That's cute. Oh, this is cute. This Kate Spade. 26. It's cute too. And I probably didn't even. This is cute. 23. 35. Oh, that's my dog's name. This is a cute bag. I wish it had a longer strap though. $40. They would price this at Value Village for like 100. Ooh, they have that one up there. I think I have that one already. This bag is $55. Oh, they have a Hamilton. This one is $150. Oh my god, this is super cute. Matte and Nat. How much is this? That's actually a really good price for this. It's like brand new, I think, with tags. Should I risk it? I don't know. It's like brand new with tags. There's Danier, and this is $35. I don't know what brand this is. What is this? Ooh, this is cute. $37, that's a deal. It's brand new with tags. I don't know if I like the color though. Maybe. Furla, $95 for Furla. Oh, that's cute. Nicole Miller. What is this? There's a vintage Coach, I think. $55. I think we might get these two things. I really like that. It's super cute. I know. I think this is it for bags. I kind of want to check out this one. This is $20. Cute, but no strap. No long strap. Oh, that's Kate. This is a huge Kate Spade. How much is this? $36. That's what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. 25, 23. Which is this one? 20. Fossil. This is 95. Of course. Coach. Which is this one? 70.
Well, when you're like in the kitchen, yeah, you want the morning shift. So
I used to have this. It took me so long to squeeze out this one. And we have some stuff over here too.
Hello. How are you guys doing today?
Ooh, they have a D&G. What is this? That's cute. Just look at this. That is $50.
No, I am. Oh, yeah.
It's a mulberry bag. Do they actually have Christian Louboutins here too? Thank you. I'll take these ones still.
Yeah. Okay, you guys can look at the price.
Thank you.
So for these ones, this is enough?
No, I'll just get these
So
ones.
these ones come out to 109.61.
So yeah, we ended up getting a few things. I'm not 100% sure if that mulberry was authentic, but I don't know. It didn't feel like luxury, you know. But I don't know. I've never really felt mulberry bags before, so I don't know. Anyway, style encore.